Okay guys, this is it, our final video for the quarter. All that's left to do is polish your game, make it look as good as possible, and then make sure that you submit it to me in Schoology. So let's go over how to do those things real quick. First off, polish is a big part of what makes a game or an animation like this really look good. So take your time, work on your timing, work on your animations, make them as smooth and as good as possible, work on your placement, tweak things, small things, until it looks as good as you can possibly get it. Other things you can do to clean up, like while I was working last time, I was looking at my sprite positions, so I have these on screen. But these don't really add anything to the scene, and they look kind of ugly here. So I want to make sure that I find what sprite I was looking at those positions on. It was Yoshi. And then I'm going to go turn those off so I can get those out of the scene and just have the good looking stuff that I really want there. I don't really need the user to see any of the stuff going on in the background or be looking at the coordinates on my screen. So clean up your scene, tweak little things as much as needed, and use all the time available to you. Once you're out of time, or you're sure that it just can't get any better, it's time to submit it. Now you should already be pretty familiar with this process, but it's incredibly important to turn in your final project, so let's go over it together one more time. Of course, your project should already be saved, but we want to go to the Save As menu, and then go find our project. With your project selected, mine is called Snapdance, I'm going to hit Share, and hit Yes to confirm that. And then, remember when we look up here at our URL, it becomes significantly longer and holds more data, including our username and the project name. From here, you can cancel out of this window and just go copy this. Remember, you can go to Edit Copy, you can hit Command-C. There's a bunch of ways to do this. You can Control-click and select Copy, but however you do it. And then, let's go over to Schoology. Now this isn't your exact folder, this is an example folder that I'm using to demonstrate, so yours will look slightly different. But basically the process is this. In your last week's folder, you'll find your final project assignment. When you click on it, it will open up a window that looks like this. Just go over to the right and click on Submit Assignment. Then, switch from the Upload tab to the Create tab. First, and most importantly, paste in the link for your project. This will allow me to play it and grade you on all of your efforts. Next, hit enter a couple times and tell me a little bit about the process. If everything went great and you couldn't be happier with your animation, just tell me how everything worked and what you were most excited about. And if you did something unique or special, tell me how you pulled it off. If you struggled with anything, that's understandable. I want you to share that with me too. Tell me what went wrong or what took a long time to figure out. Especially if you feel that your project is incomplete. Was the system giving you errors? Did you start the project late and not get time to finish? Did you get distracted by one part of the assignment and let another part fall away? I will of course be holding you responsible for meeting the criteria on the rubric, but if anything is missing, it's important to let me know why. But hopefully we've all had enough time to make a satisfactory project. Once you've shared your link and told me a little bit about your process, you can hit Submit. And when you see this green bar up here that says your assignment submission has been received, it's official. You're done for the quarter. Now you can go back to laying in bed and playing Among Us on your phones. Or, if you're really passionate about game design, remember, you still have access to Snap and Piskel and all the tools that we've been using this quarter. So feel free to explore and create something of your own. Whatever path you choose, good luck and have fun.